Tonight, former Willacy County District Attorney Juan Guerra can't seem to catch a break.
The attorney has been arrested before, but because he literally asked for it that time, today he was not happy to be shackled for missing a court date. He is not a stranger to the law, both sides of it. Juan Angel Guerra, Willacy County's former district attorney, in handcuffs in a Cameron County courtroom after their DA's office issued a writ of attachment for him.
The judge issued the writ of attachment when Mr. Guerra didn't show up for court last week.
Court records show that case is a civil forfeiture lawsuit filed in the 404th State District Court in July 2009. Before the judge entered the courtroom, Guerra said to his attorney that he didn't have to be in court for that, and he was in his right not to show up. But when Judge Elia Cornejo Lopez took the bench, his attorney took over, promising his client would be at the next scheduled court appearance.
I will make sure I'm his attorney, so Mr. Guerra and I will be showing up to all courts.
There is a large sum of money involved in a Ponzi scheme case that Guerra was a defense attorney in. It's unaccounted for, and that is why the court has requested more from Guerra, including documentation of funds. There
was $150,000 that Mr. Guerra collected.
Everybody wants to know what happened to the money. I mean, some money got turned over to the county already, but that's why we're going to provide an accounting.
Judge Lopez made it clear that Guerra cannot disappear again. He complied and asked for a personal recognizance bond, which is when his past came back to haunt him.
The last time he was out on bond in a Willacy County matter, one of the conditions on the bond was that he not go to Mexico, and so he immediately went to Mexico, took a bunch of pictures.
Guerra also set up a mobile home and goats outside the sheriff's office to goat them into arresting him, since he called the investigation against him at that time a joke. He assured the judge in this court he would not pull any stunts.
In your opinion, that this court does have
of course you do.
Power and the authority?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes.
Judge Lopez agreed to let Guerra out on a PR bond so he wouldn't spend the night in jail. He has 21 days to be back in court. Within that time, he must produce those documents that they are requesting. Was it necessary to arrest Guerra for not appearing in court? Should he have been given a high bond? Sound off right now on my Facebook page and Twitter at MarcyKGBT, where I posted exclusive courtroom photos.